Hello, a very good day to everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussein. Welcome back. I'm back again to bring you all the current existing reviews in the financial markets and what were the interesting things that are actually happening lately and how we will be pursuing further with the further price action in terms of technical analysis, and also fundamentally how we will be looking into the corrective structure that could be developed in the market. So the US stock market, let me just start first from the US stock market because it has been booming, right? So US stock market opened higher after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell laid out a change in the central bank's approach to policy making that is likely to rule out any hike interest rates in some years, right? Which is the good news for the stock. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 116 points. As you could see here, the Dow rally, right? And about 0.4%, trading at about 28,448 points last night, but it has actually extended its gain. The S&P 500 was up about 2%, and the Nasdaq Composites were also, after a series of record high, was lagging slightly, falling less than 0.1%. So the committee seeks to achieve inflation that averages 2% over time, right? And therefore judges that following periods when inflation has been running persistently below 2%, appropriate monetary policy will likely aim to achieve inflation immediately after above 2% for some time. So the Fed said in the accompanying statement recently, right? Analysts welcome the move, which acknowledges the trouble the Federal Reserve has had in getting inflation up to the level that aligns best with its other goals of full employment. However, it now puts an extra ounce on the central bank to achieve its goal. So you see, lower interest rate usually is good for American stocks. So I see, because it makes the borrowing cost cheaper for expansion and all that. So simply making promises to allow future overshoots, and while average inflation of prices level targeting won't count for much without a shift in the current policy approach. So that markets can think a higher inflation is more likely. So all in all, these were the measures actually taken. So Microsoft actually hit all-time high. As you could see here, it was like yesterday was a great shoot up, right? About 2.2% after CNBC reported that it could wrap up the acquisition of TikTok's US operation within the next 2 days. Some of the biggest gainers from Powell's comments were beaten down travel stocks, who actually have had to borrow heavily to shore up the liquidity as pandemic hit the cash flow. So United Airlines, if you see also Boeing, it was actually down. It's still taking big time. American Airlines was down, and also you see Delta Airlines, which actually a little bit rose about under 6%. Cruise operators also made a bit of a gain from there. So now the pandemic was also behind aboard laboratories that we saw 7.7% rise after the Food and Drug Administration used authorization to its COVID-19 rapid testing. So you see, in the pre-market session, stocks had barely reacted to data showing the initial jobless claims stayed stuck about 1 million for another week. So you see, for me, I see it's all about American stocks right now because they are in a good pace. We saw Netflix booming this week, as you could see here, but I see that even if it's making a bit of correction, this is going to push up overall on a longer term. So the direction is clear. So we also saw on Facebook rallied all-time highs. So when we observe our technical analysis, we're looking for a bit of correction for this to come down, and then you start to buy back because looks like it's a bit overbought. And also PayPal, which is in a beautiful stream, it is trending peacefully, and we will see more further upside for PayPal. And we will see Microsoft, any pullback will be another buying opportunity for this. And also McDonald's, it sold all-time high, and Apple has been also on skyrocketing. The Yandex as well. After this bit of retracement, Yandex is also developing another buying opportunity. So all in all, stocks has been on the, I would say that, the main limelight in the financial markets lately. S&P 500 all-time high, right? It's still going up all the time. Look at that. This is a crazy moves. And also looking at technology stocks, which is also doing pretty well. And we'll see that more upside for this coming up. So, all right. And you see what we're doing is that now any dips comes down, right? It is a buying opportunity. So you see, if I do my technical analysis here, I see that this will make a correction in the near term, and then when this make a correction, it means another welcome opportunity to buy this. Sorry, yeah. So from here, you could see here, probably don't know. So when I see from here this particular zone, so I would see that any pullback on this particular trend line will be another buying opportunity, because when you connect these levels together, right, so this is what it gives you an edge for a buying opportunity to be developing in the nearest future soon, because usually when the retracement is over, we will always go for a buying. So any pullback here will be another, right, somewhere around here will be another buying on the depths. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, but overall it is going to the upside. So like I mentioned earlier, looking ahead on the forex market, it has been having a bit of I would say that ranging time on forex, because it's like going up, going down, going up, going down, but that can happen once in a while. I believe a lot of traders are also on summer holidays, which will be ending soon, and September onwards we will see new trends developing in the forex market. All right, so that's all guys for this week. We will be coming back again next week to bring you all more updates in our live session forecast. We will also be coming up with to provide you everyday analysis. As you could see that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up till Friday, we are always with you, providing you new updates in the financial markets and doing our best to give you the most suitable price action to work together in the ocean of financial markets. So for now, I will be signing off, and I will be coming back again next week. All right, and we will be sharing more updates, more analysis, more ideas, and more trading opportunities. All right, so for now, thank you very much, and we'll see you guys next week. And I will also like to wish all our Malaysian friends, all our Malaysian members, even including myself as well, even though I'm not Malaysian, but I love Malaysia, right? So happy Merdeka, right, to everyone, and we will see you guys next week. Thank you very much, and see you again. Bye bye.